Right, I'm down here at Chequered Flag with Rob. He runs the service side. But, I've walked in here and Rob's working on a Triumph.
An old one.
An old one. So you get many Triumphs to work on?
We get a few. This one's got striped gears.
Oh.
So a little bit. Yeah, didn't like first gear. Stripped its gears, put a new gearbox in it, just reassembling it. It's had a complete new wiring kit on this one. All the new electronic ignition system. It's done for a mate of mine. It's got to go back. So this is all got to go back this week, and he's got to have it back. But when we tried it, first gear had gone. So
no.
New first gear.
So as well as being good on the mechanical side of it, you're known for your electronics.
My background is electronics, so we specialise in electronics and bike electrics. I explain everything, how everything works on the electronic side and the electrical side of bikes. We don't mind doing electronics. We're specialists in the electronic side of things. So a lot of people don't like it. They don't like it because they can't just replace it. But we'll fault find, we'll replace wires, we'll replace electronic parts, modify it. The question is why did it go? And that's always the question, is why did it go wrong? Not just, well, we just replace it and hope for the best. Why did it fail? And that's what that's the difference. That's the difference between an engineer and a fitter.
Yeah. So. The other thing I want to put right while I'm down here is the last video I did of your bike night.
Yeah.
I said your bike night's every week, but it's every fortnight, isn't it? Every fortnight.
Yeah, every fortnight. Yeah.
And then when people come down here, they can hunt you out. So now you can see Rob. They can hunt you out and ask you any question, any safety question, anything they're not sure about on their bike.
We continue what's called the car park clinic, and people bring their bikes down. They got a problem with the chain. They got a problem with the bikes. Things like this. It can be, if it can be sorted out in the car park, we do it for free. It's a policy that we did right from the word go. If it's a safety issue like a chain that needs tightening, or a wheel nut that needs tightening up, or something that needs tightening up, if we do it in the car park, we do it as a service for free. And that is, we've done that for 10 years. If anybody wants to pay us, it goes to air ambulance or blood bikes on that.
Or airing a tyre on an Indian.
Or airing a tyre,
and shit off the ABS.
Anything like that. If it's a 5-minute job, we try and do it in the car park, we'll do it. But it's very often it's advice. People are just wanting a bit of advice on their bikes, and that's what we use, what's called a car park clinic. We're open in the evenings on the Wednesday bike night, so that makes us that makes us a little bit different. So we keep the workshop open till 9 o'clock at night. As you say, airing the tyres, bulbs, lamps, anything that somebody comes in, got a stoplight gone on it, we'll do that for them. If it's a safety issue, we want to see you back again, so it's a safety issue.
But they have to pay for the bulb.
Yeah, pay for the bulb.
Yeah.
But it's very often it's just making a donation to air ambulance or blood bikes. That's what we ask.
Okay.
But,
thanks for your time.
Okay.
Yes, future videos I'm going to collar Rob for a little bit longer on particular issues, and expand a bit more on what Rob said. But yeah, I'll drop a link in when the bike nights are, because depending when you're watching this, so I'll actually put a few dates, and then you can work out every other Wednesday. And it's from 5 till 9?
Yes, it's about 5 till 9.
Yeah, 5 till 9. So yeah, you can come in, get some food, pop in the shop, see Peter. I think Peter's in here, probably asleep. No, Peter's there. So on a Wednesday you come see Peter, he'll look after you, sell you a new or a second-hand bike, helmet, jacket, whatever you want.
Yeah, you name it, we got it.
So what's the wisdom of the day?
Buy a bike.
All
As
right.
always.
No worries.